Be joined by Hugh Groman, headquartered out of Berkeley, the Groman Group. You're may I call you the premier caterer in the Bay Area?
You may.
I think I did. I just did.
Well, we like to be honest and truthful.
Sure, and it's true. So we're talking about cooking at home for your sweetheart with Valentine's Day next week.
Absolutely.
Okay.
I've got a beautiful 3-course menu, really simple and easy. A lot of this you can do the day ahead. So even if you have to go to work, you can still get all this done and not have a super stressful
You don't want to be busy cooking when you're celebrating, with your sweetie.
A little relaxed cooking.
Yeah, okay.
A little relaxed cooking. And you know what? If you don't have a sweetie, then make it for a friend.
Okay.
Not everybody has a sweetie, right?
Now, you've sliced the avocado and it's been seasoned. Is there a little olive oil
I put a little
on there
salt
too?
and pepper on there.
Okay.
And I just put a little bit of grapefruit juice to keep it from turning brown.
Okay.
And all I've got is avocado, baby arugula, and then this beautiful grapefruit.
Oh, wow.
This is called supreming. You can learn how to do that online, or I'll show you another time.
Okay.
And you make these beautiful little segments that don't have any of the pith on them.
Yeah, it's been sectioned. Is that just the grapefruit juice in there with it?
Exactly,
okay.
yeah. And then this beautiful cracked crab, fresh crab that came from the supermarket. So easy.
Yeah, beautiful.
And then there's this Maisonette sauce that you put on there. And what this is it's from a fancy French restaurant in Cincinnati that I worked at one time, and I tasted the sauce and I just had to get the recipe. It's so good. Mayonnaise, a little ketchup, brandy, Tabasco, and a little bit of the juice from the grapefruit.
Okay.
And that's it. Is that
a recipe we can get from you somehow?
It's online on your website.
Oh, look at that.
Fox 40.
I'm so impressed.
And then I'm going to show you how to do this filet mignon with cream spinach.
Okay.
Super easy.
All right.
So all we do is put a lot of salt on the filet mignon. And then you're going to just put a little bit of oil in a hot pan.
Okay.
Trying to time this so I don't burn your studio down.
No, but you want a really good hot pan, yeah?
Nice hot pan and a little bit of oil.
Okay.
And then all you do is just put those in there. And here's the trick. Do not mess with it now. Let them sit for a couple minutes so they can get a brown color on the outside of the meat.
Get a good
and then
sear.
the cream spinach, traditionally you make cream spinach with flour and butter and milk. And this is just a little lighter.
Okay.
It's just shallots and heavy cream.
Okay.
And you want to reduce this down a little bit. And then you just throw in this spinach that we've cooked. We just boil that in some salty water for just a minute.
Okay. Yeah.
And then that's it. So easy.
And that's going to cook. Any other seasoning going to go in there?
Just a little salt and pepper.
Okay.
But I like to be really careful with the salt on spinach. It gets salty real quick.
Sure. And you're going to be reducing the cream, and so you do have to be careful.
Yeah. I already pulled it off the heat, so we're good.
We need to start this, and then we'll check back at the end. What are we doing
These
here?
are just a little homemade vegan chocolate truffle with coconut milk and toasted almonds.
Is that all it takes to make chocolate vegan?
Yeah. It happens to be made with coconut milk, and it just happens to be super delicious too. But it's also vegan. So all you do is you scoop these chocolates and coat them in a little of this melted chocolate, simple, and then you just dip it in the toasted almonds.
There we go.
Okay.
Look at that.
It
went so quickly, you had plenty of time to pay attention to your Valentine. That's fantastic.
Yeah. Keep it simple.
May I recommend going to the Hugh Groman Group, Groman, on Instagram?
Yeah.
Because you know what I found on Instagram? You do homemade tater tots.
We do homemade potato tots.
You've got to come back.
Good.
Yeah, and I discovered that on your Instagram page. So find them there, and maybe you can be persuaded to come here and cater some fine events as well. We're going to do, by the way, Facebook Live. As soon as we're done here, I recommend watching the news. But if you want to join us on Facebook, I've got lots more questions for Hugh, and we'll do that over the next several minutes, okay?
Sounds fun.
Thank you, and we'll be back at the end to taste test, ladies. There's lots of good food over here.
Yeah.
We're doing a little sauce here to go with our steaks.
Yep. I'm just putting a little shallots and balsamic vinegar into this pan to deglaze the pan.
That means get all the good little brown bits up off the bottom.
The yummy bits. And then, ooh, wow, that's intense. And then a little butter.
And that's all there is to it, to the sauce?
Exactly.
Okay.
And then maybe I'll put a little salt in there.
Yeah, sure.
So here, feel free to taste. There's forks over there.
Okay.
That's the crab salad. That's
This is our
You
salad.
guys can have some of that too.
Okay. Well, and then look, May and Darren have ganged up on the dessert.
Check out this sauce. It's beautiful.
Back to our sauce here, Anna, where it's just coming together.
Look, it's all thickened
Lovely.
up. Beautiful.
Okay.
So now I'm going to just show you how you plate this filet.
Okay.
Yeah, the crab is good.
And a little bit of this beautiful cream.
We seared this in a pan and then finished it in the oven. And earlier we made our cream
And then
spinach.
I'm just going to put a little bit of this balsamic sauce on there.
What?
There you go. Nailed it.
That looks amazing.
All right.
Beautiful.
Here, I'm going to cut this up for you guys to taste as well.
We're excited.
Now, the idea here with
You guys
these
are on the wrong
recipes,
side.
which he was giving us
What
for our
happened, Darren? We didn't have
for our
over here.
website, This is a meal you might make for Valentine's Day, and it doesn't take too much of your time, so you can pay attention to your sweetheart.
Yeah.
Wow,
And some of the things you can do ahead, you can make this sauce ahead, you can do the grapefruit ahead, you can, here you go.
I got to come in here. Can I cheat and get a little
sauce?
sauce?
Yeah, go for it.
Okay.
Here we go. I'm going to put this on the plate just to be classy.
Yum.
And then here I'll put some.
Oh, wow.
Just sending.
We'll do a little bit of sauce just on the side, and then you can decide.
Nice. Now we're talking.
And then here we'll do a little bit of this cream spinach.
which I had earlier.
Renee, put that on the table. And I'll
Okay, here, cream spinach.
By the way, we ought to take a vote here with the group. I was looking at Hugh's Instagram page. It's Hugh Groman Group at Instagram.
Yeah.
I saw on there homemade tater tots, which I think we should have them back for. And I saw s'mores cookie bars.
Yeah, the s'mores bars are crazy.
Would you come back and make those?
I will. My friend Jenny brought me that recipe, and there's something about the combination of chocolate and sort of like cookie dough, but then that chemically marshmallow goo that's in there is so good.
He'll be back. We're going to hold him to it. My friends are eating. I'll say good day. We'll see you guys tomorrow.